Channel profit sprint review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this new product launching today called Channel Profit Sprint. It's a video, video training program which will teach you how to make money using YouTube by doing affiliate marketing. In short, by exactly doing what I'm doing right now. Okay. So we'll talk about the product. If you're in the rush, you can always leave and screw your money if you want to. But if you want to stay informed and then decide if you really want to buy this or not, then watch the video till the end. It's free to watch this video. Okay. I will not give you bonus orgasms. If you are into bonus orgasms, you can go and watch some stupid video on YouTube. I'm here giving you hardcore knowledge and the review. We'll talk about everything. I am in the slow mood and slow mode right now. I want to take time to explain this because it's my mood, okay? So Channel Profit Sprint, we'll come back to this and talk about how they are going to teach you to make money by coming on YouTube, okay? And you can decide whether you want to come on the camera or not. It's entirely up to you. If you're a hot chick or a woman below 30s, your first priority should be to come on the camera and sell, and men's are dogs, they will buy, okay? They'll not just buy they will not buy because you're offering something good. They'll just buy because, you're a woman, okay? We know how it works. So coming back to profit channel something. So you can make, let's say, they say $5,800 in 5 days. We'll come to that. You can make less or more depending on if you're selling high ticket or low ticket offers, okay? So I have done this YouTube and I'm still doing it. YouTube gives you high quality traffic. Okay. So consider yourself high quality person if you are watching my video. Okay. So YouTube is the best quality traffic and it depends if you want to, start YouTube or not. We'll cover all that. And before we get into this video, if you are new to my channel, you don't know me, then you can check out the links below. Before that, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And then we have some important links, which is my innovation and my 5 years of hard work. I have developed these programs myself, okay? And these are tested things, which means in 5 years, I have tested out these all methods, which has made me money. Whether you talk about email marketing, YouTube, forex trading, or anything, you can think of online in the online industry or world, I have done it, okay? So I have done almost everything: paid ads, SEO, digital marketing, then forex trading, then email marketing, then YouTube, as you can see. So you name it, I have done it, paid ads including, okay? But I have figured out, what really works. So you can go and check out these links, especially the first one. If you don't want to work at all and you want to automate your money making process, it is possible, but it's only for certain and limited people, okay? So you will only get to know if you go and click on the first link below, then come to this page here and then watch this video till the end to understand how you can make money while sleeping. This is not a clickbait. This is literal. Okay. You might have heard this term, make money while you're sleeping, but in that case, you might have to sell something or do something and, you have to have some work done. Okay. But when I say this system will make you money while you sleep, then this is literal. It's not some adjective. It's not a phrase. Literally, it will make you money once you set it up, because this is this is innovated by me, developed by me, manufactured by me. I am the designer, programmer, manufacturer, developer, whatever you want to call. I have invented the system and it works on automation. You will only get to understand what I'm saying when you watch this video till the end. Okay, so go and check out the first link. Second link, it's for those people who want to send emails and promote a product, so you can get 100 leads per month using the system. And third, make money on YouTube is exactly the work I am doing. You can do that if you go and check out this YouTube system by me. And all these, excluding the second one, first one and third one, these two are my systems. I am the owner, okay? So go and check them out. And especially if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month, then this is the link, okay? And so go and check them out. You will find out. So coming back to this Channel Profit Sprint, give me 7 days and I'll show you how anyone at any age can start and profit on YouTube. See, since last 4-5 years, I had been yelling, screaming that come on YouTube, that's the best platform, okay? I don't give a shit to Instagram or TikTok. I don't give a crap to Instagram or this TikTok, because those accounts can be suspended. And then you might have millions of followers on Instagram, TikTok, but your account is, suspended or deleted or whatever, disabled, okay? You are back to the ground. You're back to zero, right? But on YouTube, you are doing everything professionally. Okay, YouTube, that just doesn't close your account. YouTube, is like a way full-time way to make money. And millions of people are making billions of dollars using YouTube. Okay, everywhere in every country. And it's up to you. You want to come on the camera or not? She comes on the camera. So you see, there is always an edge. There will be an advantage if you come on the camera. It doesn't matter how you look. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're black, blue, white, black, whatever color of person you are. It doesn't really matter if you come on the camera. I don't come on the camera because it's my choice. I don't really care about coming on the camera because I have to focus on producing content. If you see me working, I sometimes make 4 or 5 videos a day, so I can't be bothered about coming on the fucking camera. Okay, I have to produce content. So, anyways, she is trying to teach you how to make money on YouTube, especially giving the mix of AI these days. You can use AI to generate content and stuff like that. Okay. So, yes, you can get this in $18, as you can see here, 17.97, blah, blah, blah. And you may find the link of this sales page below my video. I am not sure yet. But if you will see a link which will be saying below my video, grab channel profit sprint, copy here, click on that link. See, I already have a YouTube course. Okay, so these things which they are talking about doesn't make sense. I mean, it's not work. It's not for me because I am not I am not a follower. I'm a creator. Okay, I don't follow people. I create my own stuff. Okay, so I already have this YouTube course already, which I created 3 4 years ago, man. Okay, so I already know what is the power of YouTube, so I agree with her. Okay, that you can come on YouTube, no matter what your age is, as long you have willingness to do hard work. Okay, now coming back to the promises here, promises are not realistic. Okay, because you could, for example, let's say you could make less than whatever she's claiming, that you can make $50 $10 in 5 days. I don't believe on that crap. Neither you do. Okay, so you can go and check out the sales page here. They have 3 day money back guarantee. Okay, so yeah, I mean, they have a 7 day challenge, but the money back guarantee is only 3 days. Okay, so use your common sense, right? I don't have to say anything here, but it's a 17 $18 product to start with. It's a content. Okay, so normally when you buy these kind of products in 17 $20, you get information. So you're paying for information. You're not paying for any money making machine. Okay, you pay them the money. You get this product. You will be sold some upsells as well, and all you will be getting is information, information, information. No matter how much money you pay to anybody, to me, to them, to anybody. Okay, we only give you information. Information means you go do this, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. We only tell you what to do, but it's eventually you who got to do it. Okay, so most of the times when you buy these 17 $18 product, what happens is it's easy to forget your $20 than doing the hard work which is being told to you inside the training program. Do you understand? So if you buy this program, let's say it's worth only $18 for now, but if you learn something inside the program and you are being asked to take action, taking action will be much more difficult than forgetting your 20 bucks. So you will say, okay, most of the people, what they will do, they'll forget, they will forget their $20 that they purchased this product, and they'll move on. They will never come and work on YouTube. Okay, that's the reality. Not everybody wants to work. Everybody wants to just fuck around and just dream about making money, and and they're not ready to do the hard work for it. Okay, so for example, if I'm yelling into not yelling, but if I'm exhausting my lungs into this video since last 9 minutes, then I'm working hard. Okay, so if you're not willing to work, then who the hell are you? Why would you make money online? Making money online is much more difficult than making money offline. You can go and drive taxi offline, you can go and drive trucks offline, you can make so much money, man. Making money fucking offline is so much fucking easier than making money online. Okay, it's not for everybody. So regarding this channel profit sprint, this will give you some knowledge about YouTube, how to make YouTube videos probably. Okay, if you come on the camera, that's good. If you don't come on the camera, you can make videos like me. If you're a woman, then you can come on the camera and use your face and use your body, and you know how to sell, right? You know what I mean. Men are dogs, they will buy just because you're a woman, not because what you're selling. So what else do we have? We have some other OTOs you can see. So these are the OTOs. So you will start with 17.97, and then you will be asked to buy these OTOs. If you want to, then you have to upgrade to these plans. Okay, and this is it. No matter no matter who is online, whether it's me or her or you or anybody. Okay, those people who are making money online, including me, we want to make money first. After that, you make money or not, it depends on your hard work, okay? So first priority for her here is to make money herself. Okay, same thing. Let's face the truth. I want to make money first. She wants to make money first. After that, you make money or not, nobody comes to check. Okay, so it will be entirely your hard work if you want to make money online or not. Otherwise, she wants to make money first. I want to make money first, and then only. I don't know. Nobody cares about. She will sell this to you. I might probably sell this to you. I don't know if you'll find the link below or not. Depends. But priorities are same for every individual who's working online. They want to make money first, okay? So that is why you have to buy OTO, 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 OTO. I don't fucking understand with this OTO that why can't you just make everything in one, in one simple goddamn thing? Sell something for $100 and just leave it. Why to start with 18, then 27, then 97? It's fucking bullshit for me, at least, okay? So what are you going to get in this? I think this is what you will be getting. OTO, let me see, front end. Yeah. So you can go and pause this video and read everything. The time is ticking. So front end is this, order bomb, blah, blah, blah. OTO1 is this, OTO2 is this, okay? I don't fucking care any of this, okay? It's because I told you in between that I don't follow people. I create my own rules, okay? So I already have YouTube course. Nobody teaches me what to do. It's coming back here, come back, and then you see below the video, we have swing trading on automation. That's this one, okay? Check this out. All these methods are there tested by me in last 5 years, okay? So profit something, if you only want to get some knowledge in $17, go and buy this. You may or may not find the link below my video, depending on, I don't care. And then if you really want my methods, then go and check out these links. And if you want some free bonus lifetime email autoresponder, you can click this one and go and sign up with them. And I'll maybe see you in my next video. Till then, take care.